Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create and organize a meal planning recipe binder. If you've ever struggled with meal planning or just want a better way to keep all your favorite recipes in one place, then this tutorial is for you. I also have a special freebie that will help make your binder look super cute and organized, so be sure to stick around. Before we dive into the step-by-step, let's go over the supplies you'll need for your recipe binder. Here's what I recommend. A 3-ring binder, preferably 1.5 to 2 inches thick, plastic sheet protectors to keep your recipes safe and clean, tab dividers to help you categorize your recipes, a 3-hole punch for any printed recipes or notes, my free printable divider cover sheets, which you can find over on my blog. The link will be in the description box below. You'll also need a set of sticky tabs or flags so that you can mark your frequently used recipes, as well as pens, markers, or highlighters for notes and customization. All of these supplies are super easy to find at your local office supply store or on Amazon. I've linked everything in the description box below to make it easy for you. You can also find these links on my blog. Now that we have our supplies, let's start putting the binder together. Step 1. Set up your dividers. First, think about how you want to categorize your recipes. Some common categories include breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, desserts, sides, and drinks. You can also add sections for meal prep, slow cooker, vegetarian, family favorites, and much more. To help you get started, I've created printable divider cover sheets that you can use. Just head over to my blog, print them out, and slide them into your tab dividers. Step 2. Insert your recipes. Next, insert your recipes into the plastic sheet protectors. This will keep them safe from spills and splatters in the kitchen. You can also print out recipes from your favorite websites, clip them from magazines, or even jot down your family favorites on recipe cards. If you're using a digital recipe keeper, you can print your top recipes and add them to your binder for easy access. Step 3. Organize your sections. Place the protected recipes behind the corresponding dividers. If you have a lot of recipes in one category, consider splitting it up further. For example, under dinner, you could have subcategories like chicken, pasta, and vegetarian. This level of organization will make it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for. Step 4. Add notes and adjustments. One of the great things about having a recipe binder is the ability to customize it. Use sticky tabs to mark your go-to meals or jot down notes directly on the sheet protectors with a dry erase marker. You can also keep a running list of meal planning ideas or grocery lists right in your binder for easy reference. Now that your binder is set up, it's time to work on your meal planning routine. Use your binder as a quick reference when planning your weekly meals, shopping for groceries, or trying to decide what to make for dinner. Having everything in one place will save you so much time and make the busy weeks less stressful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you create your own meal planning recipe binder. Don't forget to download my free printable cover sheets on my blog. They'll make your binder not just functional, but also beautiful. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what categories you're planning to include in your binder. Happy meal planning, and I'll see you in the next video.